Hello everyone. To fulfill my final test, social linguistic subject, I'm Nadia Nunajma from Pamulang University. Would like to present you a journal article which was conducted by Nathan Barus, Rahmat Syah Rangkuti, and Umar Mono from Universitas Sumatera Utara, Indonesia, entitled Code Mixing and Code Switching in Online Teaching. So as we know, social linguistic is one of the branches from linguistic. The social linguistic is the study how language and social are interconnected, while code mixing and code switching is also one of the branches from social linguistic. So code mixing is actually mixing two or more languages in one sentence or one phrase without fully changing to the other language. While code switching is a phenomenon where the speakers fully switch from one to other language while they discussion or communication with is usually from between one or two sentences or one or two clausa, the different clausa. So back to the study. The background of the study is actually when we were in 2019. There are like dangerous virus spread to the world, and the coronavirus or the COVID-19 is actually changes changing learning system in Indonesia also, and forced school to implement a distance education, or we can say online learning. So the purpose of this study is actually analyze the types of code switching and code mixing in online teaching, how English teachers use code mixing and code switching, and why teachers switch and mix their speech. So this research was conducted using a qualitative descriptive design, and the data were analyzed using the Miles, Haberman, and Saldana. The object of this study is were three English teachers from SMA Sultan Iskandar Muda, which located in Medan City, Sumatera Utara, Indonesia. So the data is presented as findings to answer the research questions about three types of code mixing according to Hoffman's theory: interlexical code mixing, inter-sentence code mixing, and involving pronunciation changes. So in this study, there are several findings about the types of code mixing and code switching from the learning or teaching process. And also there are several reasons for code mixing and code switching. So the reason number one is repetition is used for clarification. Number two is quoting others. Number three is being assertive about something. Number 4 is interjection. Number 5 is talking about a particular topic. Number 6 is clarifying the content of a speech. Number 7 is expressing group identity. So for the three types of code mixing and code switching by Hoffman's theory, the findings is this is used by English teachers in the teaching and learning process. For intrasentential code mixing, there are 50.49%, and intralexical code mixing, there are 11.88%, and involving pronunciation changes, there are 3.96%. Intrasential switching, there are 21.78%. Intrasential switching, there are 6.93%, and text switching, there are 4.95%. So these studies result indicate three types of code mixing and code switching used by English teachers in teaching and learning process. The type of code switching most often used by teachers in intersentential code switching. Code mixing most often used by teachers in an insertion. The factors causing code switching and code mixing are reason to clarify the content of the conversation, using repetition for clarification, quoting others, being assertive about something, and exclamation. So in my opinion, this study is clearly show us about the reason why teachers using code mixing and code switching by the data from Zoom recording video while they teaching their students. And also code mixing and code switching can be tools for teaching, which is effective for effective to teaching if we use it proportional and at the correct times. And the English teachers needs to consider about the students' competent, how the purpose of teaching and context for using the language for like when and how this strategy like uses in online class. So that's all from me. If you guys have any questions, please give your comments below. See you.